Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese?
Yeah.
Where you wanna ride? Gold car or the silver car?
The big one.
Big one? Why you don't want the silver car?
Cause it's not chill. Not chill. Small.
Oh, it's not safe on the highway.
Not cheap highway.
Yeah, so we ride on the gold car.
Gold car.
Yeah, the silver car is right there. Yeah, right there. Silver car. And then we ride on the bagong linis yan, Bewa. We just did the vacuum, okay?
Okay.
Look, it's very clean. Okay, are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Where we going?
Cheese.
Okay, let's go. Start the engine. All right,
Engine.
start the engine.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Drive safe, Bewa.
Drive safe, Bubble.
Okay.